Welcome to the UK Power Network's Open Data Portal, which brings together datasets to provide visibility of our network assets, where they are and how they're being used. This is accessed via our internet page at ukpowernetworks.co.uk. Within the Future Energy heading, there is a link to our Open Data Portal. The portal is free and open to use, however, we encourage users to sign up for extra features and functionality. This video is a quick guide to our network infrastructure and usage map, also known as the new map, which replaces the current DG mapping tool. Here you can find a geospatial view of our main assets and details of their utilisation. This will help anyone wishing to connect to our network or get a greater understanding of current and upcoming demand and generation. To access the map from the homepage, click on the Network Infrastructure and Usage Map link. When first opening the page, you'll see some guidance notes and any relevant additional information to help you get the most out of the map. The initial view is of our demand headroom layer. This is displayed using a traffic light system, which gives an indication of the headroom capacity of our primary sites, where green shows there may be sufficient level of overall capacity, and red is where we may have flexibility services or network intervention in development. Clicking on any primary feeding area, which is the geographical area that is fed by the particular primary site, you can see key information with a link to the source data. On the right-hand side of the map are all the available layers ranging from substation sites, overhead lines and connected generation and demand. To display a specific layer on the map, simply click the required datasets. Click again to toggle the layer off. You will see that the layer disappears from the map and the title turns light grey to indicate it's off. On the left-hand side, you can make the map full screen, and you can search the map by entering a keyword or address in the search bar. The map returns location results, but also suggests searching in the displayed data. This refers to data within your selected map layers. Another feature of the map is the ability to choose which base map to display, depending on the level of detail required. Each map layer contains spatial coordinates plotted on the map as a line, point, or polygon. Sometimes, due to the volume of data, you may need to zoom in to see these. When you click on the relevant icon or shape, you'll be shown some key information in a pop-up box. All our data behind these layers are already available in our data catalogue and can be exported into common file formats such as CSV or accessed via an API. Click on the source data link to get to the dataset. Additional help can be found in the user guide using the above tab. You can find instructions and the details and caveats of the datasets used and when the data was last refreshed. If you have any feedback on the map, or equally if you are enjoying the map and using our datasets, we would love for you to share your use cases with us. To find out how, click on the Contact Us tab in the user guide. We are continuously looking at ways to improve the functionality of the map and are already considering additional datasets that will enrich it further. We have a data roadmap which shows datasets that are in the pipeline to be published. This detail can be accessed via the homepage. We look forward to hearing from you and working with you to get the best value from the network infrastructure and usage map. Thank you.